उसके मजबूत इकोसिस्टम जिसमें GUSEC, AIC, GUSEC एंड IDSR का समावेश होता है। ये वेबसाइट सर के कर कमलों से लॉन्च हो रही है। बेहद तालियों से बहुत ही आनंद की बात है कि इस विजन से 600 से भी अधिक स्टार्टअप्स को बढ़ावा मिला है, जिसमें से 30 जैसे स्टार्टअप्स संरक्षण, एरोस्पेस और साइबर सुरक्षा से समर्पित है। ऐसे ही हम उत्तरोत्तर प्रगति करते रहे, उसके लिए हमें ऐसी संस्थाएं
fund-led accelerator in the country, and we have been helping startups in the defense tech segment, particularly working for national security and enhancing the capabilities of our country to be a defense manufacturer and also export defense solutions to other countries. So this program is going to be a very critical and important program, especially at this juncture when the country is trying to be Atmanirbhar in terms of defense production, and this is going to be fueling a lot of technological innovations. We are planning to nurture startups who are working on technology and deep tech to be precise. In the defense space, working on UAV or counter UAV systems or AI and robotic systems, and basically provide them funds as well as access to markets, and also help them to innovate on technology so that it's globally competitive. So that is the program.
Are you in ties with any angel financiers or who
Yes.
are likely to be angel financing?
Yes. So India Accelerator, we already have our own fund, but as part of the program, not just that fund is going to look into these startups from funding perspective, but we are going to bring a lot of other VCs and funding agencies who would be looking into these startups and discuss potential funding.
From your side, how much fund has been allocated for this?
So for our defense thesis, as an investor, we have roughly about 20 million USD fund which is allocated to invest in defense tech startups. So a significant part of that fund is now going to go into these startups, which will be programmatically nurtured through this program.
And are there any aspiring startups that you think that might likely to get selected for this?
Absolutely, there are many. We are already working with startups who are working on counter drone system, which is very critical at this moment for national security, or drones which are used in different use cases within the defense system, whether it is logistics, whether it is surveillance, whether it is carrying specific operations. So a lot of those startups whom we are already working with will be eventually part of this program, and through this program we are going to provide them a lot more than just providing the fund. So that is the whole idea, that this program is going to be more than just providing fund, but providing guidance from the university, because we are tying up with Institute of Defence Studies and Research, IDSR, which is part of Gujarat University and which is co-funded by DRDO. So I think we are going to get that knowledge and we are going to co-work or co-develop new solutions and innovations along with that.
So right now, India is mostly dependent on the outside for the defense sector. For all the other defense-related industry, India is totally right now dependent. The India needs to be Atmanirbhar. And the PM also very highly this thing, that aspirations that it will be a defense hub. Do you think that India can become a defense hub through such programs or any?
100%. I'm very confident, because I have been working on this segment for last 1.5 to 2 years. And the amount of innovation which is happening at the ground level, at the startup level, I think that is very, very encouraging. In fact, if you think from the large defense manufacturer point of view, while they are going to bring the scale to manufacture at large volume, a lot of innovations are going to happen at the grassroots level, on the startup level, and hence the critical importance of nurturing startups. And what is happening right now is that startups are coming up with new technologies, innovations, which eventually probably will be taken up by these big manufacturing organizations, and then the scale will be so I think very confident about India's sort of determined path forward.
Future defense industry.
Absolutely.
So some more information on this project.
Advait is a dedicated acceleration program for startups engaged in defense technology. The objective is to promote these startups, help them go to the market, and ensure they get the grants either from the state government, central government, or other public private sector undertakings with whom we have with whom we have so many contracts, so we can ensure that if their projects are viable, we can channel the grants to them, so that these startups can help in the Indian national objective of defense self-reliance and defense exports. This is the main objective.
So how much grant has the government allocated for this project?
There is no specific grant allocated for this purpose. We have access to multiple grants of state government and central government, and apart from that, we are having linkages with various private sector undertakings as well who are engaged in defense manufacturing. They will also help us out. Right now, the applications will be started, and India Accelerator is going to run the program on our behalf.
Okay.
They are I think India's leading accelerator. They are going to run the program, so they have contracts with multiple
And
undertakings.
how many startups do you think, or that means, are you expecting from this?
See, there will be multiple applications, but at the most we may select first 50 only to run the cohort. Initially, maximum will be limited to 50, maybe 5-10. So because this is going to be a very specialized program, so we're not going to take too many startups. We wanted to focus attention on those startups. So applications would be large numbers, but we will restrict ourselves to 10. So we want to go step by step. So this is a first time initiative. So based on the success of this initiative, we'll go ahead and launch the new editions, subsequent editions.
Okay.
This is the objective.
Okay. Thank you.